This is Mrs. Brand here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick Google site to use as an art portfolio. When you want to make a Google site, you need to start in your Google Drive. So I'm going to click on these 9 boxes and I'm going to select Drive. The next thing I'm going to do is click on the New button and then say More and select Google Sites. When you create a site, it'll start you at this default template or this default theme. And if you click on the themes option, you can look at some of the ones that they have available for you. I think I'm going to use this one. The first thing you should do is make sure that you title your site. Then you can click on the Pages tab and add the pages that we need for our website. If you click the plus, then you can start your first new page. I'm going to call this Art Portfolio. I've already got one page, that's the home page. That was the default page that was there whenever I created this website. And you can see that I can access it here. And I still have not put a title on here yet. I guess I could title this with my name. I'm going to do another page and I'm going to call this Infographics. And then the last page I'm going to call Independent Work. So now I have 4 pages on my website. If I want to change the order that they are in at the top, I can just click and drag and it'll move them around that way. So I think I want my art portfolio to go first. So the next thing I want to do is start adding some artworks to my art portfolio. And if you refer to the Google Doc in your classroom assignment, you'll see a list of everything that should be included on each one of these pages of your art portfolio website. So I know that I want to put my color personality name graphic on here on my art portfolio page, but if you look over here, you can't put a Google drawing on a website. You can do a doc, a slide, a sheet, but for some reason they don't have Google Drawings on here. So that means I need to turn it into a JPEG image so I can insert it through the Images button. So I need to go to my Google Drive and I need to search color personality and I'll see mine come up, so I'll click on that. And then I'm going to say File, Download as JPEG. And then now I can click on Images and I can upload it from the download. And then I can grab the corner to stretch it and make it bigger. You'll notice that as soon as you try to make it bigger, it will crop it all funny. So you need to click on it and then click this button right here, which is the uncrop button, and then you won't lose any part of your image. And then you can move it to where it looks centered within the sides of your website. So you have a few other things that need to go on here, but just for the purposes of showing you how to set up the website, I'm going to move on to another page and add another image. So I'm going to go to my infographics page. And on this, I want to put my analogous color scheme infographic. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to say analogous, and it looks like, I can see if I have one on here. Yes, so here is that infographic. So just like before, I'm going to go to File, Download as a JPEG, and then I'll go back to my website and I'll insert the image from an upload. And then I'll do the same thing. I'll make it a little bit bigger. Click on uncrop, center it. And then now I have an image on my art portfolio page and on my infographics page. And now you can continue to do those same steps to add the rest of the files to your pages. And again, you can see what needs to be on your website if you look at the Google Doc attached to the classroom assignment. So now, just to show you another step, I'm going to show you how to publish your website. Before you publish, there's a nice button called Preview that you can click on, and it'll show you what your website looks like on either a phone or an iPad or a computer, and then you can click through and see if you're happy with the pages before you decide to publish it. So I'm happy with this, so I'll X this out. And then now I'll say publish. So after you publish it, you should look at your share settings. So when you click on the person with the plus and you click down here where it says links vary, you'll see that the draft of the website is restricted and only people added can open the link. But the published site, it looks like the only people that can see it is Lift for Life Academy. So you need to click on that and say public in order to be able to share this website with other people. And then you can say done. If you're curious as to what your URL is, you can click on the publish settings and you'll see the URL listed right here. So I hope you found this helpful in creating your art portfolio, and I look forward to seeing yours. Thank you.